Hi everyone, welcome to Cocosenor, and today I will teach how to encrypt a file or folder on Windows 10 11. Cocosenor File Lock Tuner is recommended here to encrypt files or folders with simple clicks. This file lock software enables users to protect important files, folders safely. You can download it to have a try. Open the software. After that, select the Encrypt tab. Click the file or folder icon to choose your file or folder. Now I click the folder icon and select the folder from my computer. In no time, all the files in the folder are listed. Well, now set the password and confirm it. OK, click the Encrypt button. Soon, the files in the folder are successfully encrypted. That's all. Thanks for watching.